Line-to-line fishing knot. This knot is very strong and real easy to tie. Here is the Albright special. To start, take your leader line, double it, and pinch a small loop at the end. Now pass your main line through the loop for about 6 inches of line. Now, with your right thumb and forefinger, pinch the loop holding the main line and loop firmly in place. Next, begin to wrap the main line's tag end down the doubled line for about 6 to 7 wraps. As you wrap, be careful not to make the wraps too tight to one another. You're going to need some space between each wrap next. On the final wrap, pinch it with your left hand and begin to wrap in the opposite direction. Here, each wrap needs to cross the spaces you left from the initial wraps. On your final wrap, take the tag end and pass it back through the loop. Make sure the tag end is exiting the loop the same way the main line is coming in. Now wet your knot and pull on all pieces of line, bringing the knot together. Now pull firmly again to completely cinch the knot down. All that's left to do here is to clip your tag ends, and there you have it, the perfect Albright special. Leave a like if you enjoyed, save this video, check out our 1-minute knot tutorials playlist, and as always,